let me be real with you guys. So your girl here, her age getting up there, right? My age soon start with a 2 or 3 and start with bigger numbers. So as I get older, things like mammogram, health check, blood pressure check, hypertension, diabetes check are now important versus in the younger days, it was all right, which party we're going, what we're doing, what we're up to. So as I'm thinking about health and strength and wealth, I have to think about generational planning, the future, because I tell you guys, it's bigger than me, right? The work I'm doing, the moves I'm making, the elevation is for son, and he needs to have a little start. To make sure he has a start, I have to think about estate planning, right? It's hard to think about when you're not here, but I know that the work I'm doing today is for him, so I have to set him up proper with a will. I need to think about what terms need to be in the will, which region the will must be for, because you need a will for different countries where you have assets. So I need to think about that because it's bigger than me, and I want to ensure that the moves I'm making today are not in vain, and he is set up to make the moves for himself and for his generations that are to come after him, right? We're paying it forward, and we have to make the right moves as we're making money to ensure that the future generations are set too.